How to add your Facebook on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Facebook on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click this 3 points and then click settings and now click account info and here add your Facebook. Just copy your Facebook link and paste it here, or just add your Facebook user or anything and then just save it. And you need to manage this one, make it for your friends or everyone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.